Sayulita Wellness, home of your inner peace.
Set 80 meters high on a cliff, this stunning 5-bedroom home offers the most breathtaking ocean and jungle panoramic views. Every detail of this home captures the essence of elegance and natural beauty. Let's check it out. The 2 master bedrooms, with king-size bed each, feature an outdoor tub, indoor and outdoor showers, a walk-in closet, and a spacious private terrace on the upper level. Perfect for enjoying stunning sunset views and stargazing at night. 2 bedrooms feature 2 queen-size beds each, and 1 bedroom offers a king-size bed along with a single bed and a trundle. Perfect for children. Each of the 5 bedrooms includes its own full bathroom, dressing room, smart television, surround sound for music, and a private terrace with stunning ocean and jungle views. Each room is unique and designed to offer you comfort, privacy, luxury, and a breathtaking scenery. Additionally, there's a kids' games room with 4 queen-size beds, a full bathroom, and a variety of entertainment options. The house features huichol details, handcrafted martelinado floors, and a beautiful blend of Oaxacan and Balinese design elements. The private terraces of the rooms open up to the outdoor lounge area, featuring an infinity pool with jacuzzi, sunbeds, fire pit, fully equipped gym, and yoga deck, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The central palapa features a family room, a main dining area for 16, a fully equipped kitchen, and an outdoor living and dining area with a bar and grilling space. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the tour. Until next time.